so cool. This is Alaska right here. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I think I slept in. Oh, I need to get up. It's too late. Oh, what time is it? It's almost 10 o'clock. I need to get up. Today, we're gonna be going down to Seward, which is like on the coast of Alaska. It's one of those little towns right on the coast, and it's really popular for fishing. Now, I'm not saying I'm gonna be going fishing. I want to. I really want to catch a salmon while I'm up here in Alaska, but we just got to see what it's like down there. I might go on a charter. I don't know yet. I just want one salmon. I don't want like a bunch of fish. So depending on what that's like, I'm going to look into it. We might go fishing. But yeah, guys, in this video, we're just going to be traveling. I'm going to show you guys some of Alaska. We're going to go down to Seward. First, I'm going to get this truck cleaned up. I got some dirty clothes, some dirty dishes. I got a bunch of stuff I got to clean. I got so many clothes. All right, we'll just put those right there for now. I gotta take this down. The one issue about having to black out my camper is that I don't wake up naturally anymore with the sun. So I sleep in a lot more, which isn't good. All right, also I fixed this door handle, so that was another update. Fixed the door handle, it's no longer messed up. Oh, looks like it's kind of a cloudy day this week. It's been somewhat beautiful. It has rained a little bit, but for the most part it's been clear. Like I said, I'm right outside of Anchorage right now, so I just stayed at this hotel back over here. There's Stella. But yeah, looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day today. Woo. Good girl. Okay guys, so as I was taking Stella out for a walk, I saw like a coffee shop. I think it's a coffee shop. It's one of those little shacks, like, you know, on the side of the road in the parking lots. So I'm gonna see if it's a coffee shop. If it is, it's right here. So we're gonna hit that real quick. See, there it is, right there. Yeah, it says, what's the name? Espresso, Blondie's Espresso. Hello, how are you? Good. Can I please get like a vanilla latte? Oh yeah, yes ma'am. Thank you.
I'll have it out just a sec.
Thank you. Treat for Stella. Good girl. Even though she just had a full bag of treats last night, she doesn't deserve this. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's still fire. That is still fire. We had a good run. It's time to walk away. We gon' say it all. Let's go for a quick walk. Let's burn off some energy, and then we're gonna drive down to Seward. All right, Stella, you ready? All right, let's go. Good girl. I love this part. Nice. Look how beautiful this park is. Got some kayaks, canoes. They're having fun time. It's beautiful out here. It's kind of sprinkling right now, so hopefully it's not raining down in Seward, but since it's on the coast, it's very likely. But yeah, let's get on the road. We're about 2 hours away from Seward, so I'm sure we're gonna see a lot of nice, beautiful views along the way, so I'm gonna make sure I film that for you guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Take a look at this view on this drive right now. So beautiful, all these mountains. Wow, this is so beautiful. We're almost there. We're just a few minutes away, but we're driving down. We're pretty much here. I'm not sure what I plan on doing next because it's only about 1:39. So I might try to explore the area, maybe try to find a place that we can like go for a walk or something. I don't know. Maybe go for a hike even. It's kind of raining right now, so there's not really much we can do outside. It's not raining too bad, but oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Dang. Oh yeah, there's the ocean. You know, I'm gonna park over here actually. And we're gonna kind of check it out. Smells like fish. Stella. I wish it wasn't super cloudy right now, but that just looks amazing. Wasn't a bad drive. It was only like 2 hours from Anchorage, so I'll probably stay here for a few days. Check it out. There's a bunch of towns I want to hit while I'm here. I want to go to Whittier, which if you guys don't know, that's like you have to go through a freaking mountain to get there. It's like a small town, but I want to go there. I want to go down to Homer, which is even further. That's like 4 hours down, but we have a lot of exploring to do. Stella. It's a little chilly out here. Oh, all right, guys. So, I'm getting kind of hungry. Right now, it's 4:40, which is kind of late. Yeah, I had to do some work, so that's kind of why it's a little bit later than it is right now. But, man, that's a lot of water. That is a lot of water coming straight down from that mountain. Okay, so this is kind of like the downtown area of Seward. I kind of want to park and check it out. Like, they got all these like, you know, stores, places to eat. They got like gift shops. Okay, guys, I just went to the grocery store and I got some ingredients to cook up. So now I'm headed to the spot that I'm gonna camp at for tonight. It's just right up the street. It's like 8 minutes away, so we're gonna go there and then we're gonna start cooking up. I'm hungry. It's very possible that other people are here right now. Yep, there's a few cars already here. Oh yeah, I see vans all over. Jeez, this is packed, bro. I found a spot right next to this river. There are a few other people around. Like the nearest van is like maybe 100 yards, but we should be good right here. This is a beautiful spot. But after going on this road, I heard a bunch of stuff in the back of my truck get moved around. So I'm gonna have to, it looks like they have, I don't know if they're shooting over there or what. Maybe fireworks or something, I don't know. Let's see the damage that was done. Look, I can't even open the door. Oh yeah, all my clothes. All my freaking clothes. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna have to try to somehow get in here. Bro. Oh, jeez. Oh. This is what it's like, guys. This is what it's like. But luckily, I'm in now, so. The reason why I chose next to this river is because I have to wash my dishes. And yeah, luckily there's not really anyone over here, so we should be good. Should just be us for tonight. But look at this view, guys. This view is amazing. All right. Oh, we got so many dishes. Gosh. You hungry, Stella? You hungry? Alright guys, I think we're about to start cooking up. I'm hungry. I don't know about Stella, but I'm so freaking hungry. Are you hungry? Alright. Today, I've made this before. I've made this a lot recently, actually. You guys might know, probably know, but I'm making well, actually, I'm gonna try to make a Crunchwrap Supreme. You guys know Taco Bell, they have a Crunchwrap Supreme. And I made it a few days ago, and it was like really freaking good. We got this. Well, I tried. It's not all the way wrapped. I could probably use another tortilla, maybe. I don't have a lot of room, but this is gonna have to do for now, eh? They are falling apart, bruh. Oh my gosh. That is like very done. Alright guys, I know it doesn't look that good. I had to wrap it with 2 tortillas. Stella's food. Shoot. There's like no freaking room. We'll just put that right there. Alright, let's try it. Let's try it. All right. Oh. Alright. This right there. I really don't have a lot of oh, that'll work. Cool. right there. All right, let's grab the air fryer. Oh gosh. So these are the cookies we got. We got some monster cookies, just like that. We're gonna put those in there, just like that. 15 minutes, start. All right, now we wait 15 minutes for these cookies. I've been letting these kind of cool down for a little bit. Oh, they look pretty cooked actually. They look good. Oh, dang it. They're pretty good though. Tired. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. I'm not gonna lie, it's so much colder down here. I wish I could check. Good morning, Stella. Oh, good morning. I need some coffee. Oh. Man, look at that view. Also, a few other people came and parked. Ooh. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's so freaking cool. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna be camping here. Guys, I'm coming out here. Yeah, I'm grabbing my backpack and we're camping out here. Look at this. This is Alaska right here. But I think this is honestly a perfect spot to end this video. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I know I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. I'm gonna get back to my regular schedule again. So thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, I'll see you guys back on the road. And don't forget to stay saucy. Peace.